When people talk about mid-size off-road trucks, one name always rises to the top: Toyota Tacoma. But what happens when that already legendary platform is pushed even further, engineered straight from the factory to handle brutal trails, high-speed dirt runs, and real-world daily driving without compromise? That's exactly what the 2026 Toyota Tacoma TRD Pro is built to do. This isn't just a Tacoma with bigger tires and bold badges. The TRD Pro represents Toyota's most extreme vision of off-road capability in a mid-size pickup, blending race-inspired suspension, advanced technology, and proven durability into a truck that's ready for adventure the moment it leaves the showroom. Before we break down what makes the Tacoma TRD Pro so special, from aggressive design to its hybrid powertrain and serious off-road hardware, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell if you're into real-world truck reviews. We cover capable pickups like this all the time. It stands out instantly with its unmistakable off-road presence. Up front, the heritage-inspired Toyota grille gives the truck a bold, classic look, while the functional hood scoop and aggressive LED lighting reinforce its performance-focused personality. Matte black alloy wheels wrapped in chunky all-terrain tires complete the stance, making it clear this truck is built to leave pavement behind. Skid plates protect vital components underneath, while TRD Pro-specific exterior accents and badging add a subtle but purposeful edge. Everything about the design prioritizes durability and trail readiness, without sacrificing everyday style. Inside, the Tacoma TRD Pro balances rugged utility with modern comfort. TRD-branded seats with contrast stitching and supportive bolsters keep you planted during off-road driving, while the cabin layout remains practical and intuitive for daily use. A large central touchscreen handles infotainment and navigation, supported by physical controls that are easy to use even when wearing gloves or bouncing over rough terrain. The interior feels tough but refined, designed to handle mud, dust, and gear, while still keeping drivers comfortable on long road trips. Under the hood, the 2026 Tacoma TRD Pro takes a major step forward with Toyota's iForce Max hybrid powertrain. This setup combines a turbocharged gasoline engine with an electric motor to deliver strong responsive power with improved efficiency. The result is instant torque, smooth acceleration, and confident performance whether you're crawling over rocks or merging onto the highway. The real highlight is the suspension. The Tacoma TRD Pro comes equipped with Fox internal bypass QS3 shocks, specially tuned to handle high-speed off-road driving. These shocks help absorb harsh impacts while keeping the truck stable and controlled over washboard trails, sand, and uneven terrain. A wider track, reinforced components, and advanced off-road systems like crawl control and multi-terrain select allow the Tacoma TRD Pro to adapt to different surfaces with ease. From technical rock sections to open desert trails, this truck is engineered to stay composed, capable, and confidence-inspiring. As the flagship off-road trim, it sits at the top of the lineup. Pricing reflects its factory-installed performance hardware, advanced suspension, and hybrid powertrain technology. While it commands a premium over standard Tacoma trims, the value becomes clear when you consider the cost of adding similar off-road upgrades aftermarket. For buyers who want a fully engineered off-road truck without the hassle of modifications, the Tacoma TRD delivers capabilities straight from the factory. Even with its aggressive off-road focus, it doesn't compromise on safety. Toyota equips it with Toyota Safety Sense, a suite of advanced driver assist technologies designed to support everyday driving. Features include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, pre-collision braking, and blind spot monitoring. These systems work seamlessly in the background, helping make highway driving and daily commutes more relaxed, especially when transitioning from trail duty back to city streets. The 2026 Toyota Tacoma TRD proves why Tacoma continues to dominate the mid-size off-road truck segment. With its hybrid powertrain, race-inspired suspension, rugged design, and factory-built trail capability, it's a truck designed for drivers who want real adventure without compromise. If this breakdown helped you out, hit that like button, drop a comment with where you'd take the Tacoma TRD Pro first, and don't forget to subscribe for more truck reviews and off-road content. Thanks for watching.